10 cancer symptoms most women often ignore. 10 cancer symptoms most women often ignore. Why it always happens with women that they ignore cancer symptoms until it takes a big shape. Are they unaware or uneducated or merely careless? Although, ignorance is bliss until it causes any harm to us. But ignoring any symptoms which are indicating any life-taking disease like cancer, ignorance cause much suffering and distress. So let me clearly explain some of the cancer symptoms that we women often overlook to create a general awareness among all women. Do you know how cancer spread? Before we enter into the main discussion, I will tell you few things about cancer. Cancer, the most deadly disease, is actually a group of diseases that involve the unusual growth of affected body cells. Slowly it invades the other parts of our body, if not taken into account at the right time. 1. Unexpected weight loss. Weight loss is not always a positive sign for health, though women never take it seriously. On the contrary, they seem to be happy as staying slim and thin is their dream. But abrupt changes in weight are a matter of concern. Sudden changes in weight without doing any exercise or diet may indicate pancreatic, liver or colon cancer. 2. Sudden changes in bowel habits. Women do not pay much attention to their bathroom habits, but there is no easy way to discover inside of your body from the sudden changes in our bowel frequency. If you are suffering from frequent bowel movement for a long prolonged period, it is not just diarrhea, it may be due to some cancerous cause inside. 3. Development of moles. Moles are spot on the skin, and they occur when skin gather in clusters. Moles get darkened when exposed to the sunlight. So far there is nothing to worry about moles if they exist in few numbers, but if the development of moles increases and spread throughout the body, which women overlook most of the time, is a matter of medical advice. Also, any changes in the mole's appearance could be the sign of skin cancer. 4. Frequent cold and cough. Cough and cold are normal during season changes, and it often heals by itself. But the concern starts when a cough persists for a long time. Cough with blood is the first and foremost symptom of lung cancer, which woman ignores the most. But you should keep in mind that bleeding with a cough can occur in other physical issues like bronchial infection or tuberculosis. So never ignore if such things happen to you. Do proper investigation. 5. Bleeding after menopause. It is natural to bleed while you are going through a period, but not having a period for 1 year means your menopause phase has started. Therefore, any sudden genital bleeding must be treated with extra care and attention. 6. Stomach pain and nausea. Stomach pain or nausea may occur due to indigestion and overeating, and so most of the time we handle them with an antacid. But if the stomach cramp and nausea lasts for 2 or 3 weeks, it is a matter of investigation further. Especially in case of women who have gastrointestinal disorders, take it for same and ignore until it becomes too late. 7. Throat pain. We all have to suffer from throat pain and difficulties in swallowing food at some points of our life. What women commonly do in this situation, they try to modify their food habits, from hard to soft food, gurgle with warm to easy the situation. But it is beyond our imagination that there could be the more serious issue behind this. So if you are experiencing similar issues for prolonged time, don't delay. 8. Bloating. Though bloating is common to all genders, but women are bloaters by nature. Abdominal bloating may appear at any age with a gastrointestinal disorder. Besides this, women may also experience bloating during their periods. But don't take it casually if the symptoms do not disappear within a few days. It could be the early sign of cancer in ovary or uterine. 9. Fatigue. Unexplained fatigue is not at all normal, though women ignore it to a great extent. We take it as a side effect of household works or office work. But things are not so easy if you find yourself tired after a sound sleep at night. If this continues and makes you less energetic day by day, you must check it. It could be the sign of leukemia that affects the red blood cells, as a result of which persistent fatigue occurs. 10. Headache. Anything from overstressing to indigestion, migraine to sinus could be the cause of a headache. But if you have no history of sinus and migraine, then sudden headache may be the indication of a serious matter, so it would be a wise decision to treat a headache seriously. The increased inside the brain pressure causes a headache, which has a direct relation with tumor growth.